finished your drawing? Can you explain it to me?
Well, that's Mercury, that's Venus, that's Earth, that's Mars, that's Jupiter. This is the house? Saturn, this is the house? Yeah, it's Venus. And that word says home. And I added an exclamation mark.
What does the word say, honey?
Home.
Home. Ah,
And that word says big.
What's big next to?
Jupiter.
Oh.
I drawed the limb is one, but I need to draw the limb. Hey, what's this car? Red. I need to draw.
And what are the other funny pictures next to the planets? Can you explain those?
Well, that picture, this is 88.
Why did you put 88 there?
Because Mercury takes 88 days to orbit around the sun.
Ah.
And I drew the faces of them. She saw my video, only have I drawn the egg. Penny today, could it go you can't cook an egg right on the ground.
Okay, so you drew an egg, and what's after the egg? Why did you draw the egg?
Because the egg means you can't cook an egg right on the ground.
On Venus. Why is that? Is it very hot?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And what's the next picture?
I put a flower on that.
Ah, that's beautiful. And what's next? Is that Mars? And what picture did you draw on Mars?
I'm going to do it there, okay?
Yep. And what's that picture beneath it? The blue one?
That's a picture of an ice block.
And why did you draw an ice block?
Because Mars is cold.
Ah, that's a good idea. And what's that word starting with F? What's that say?
Fat.
And which planet's fat?
Jupiter.
Ah. And
I added 2 A's to fat.
why did you draw 2 A's?
Because it says fat.
Ah. Nice and loud. Now, is that a funny person next to Jupiter? Is that Saturn's rings? Has Saturn got a funny face?
No.
What's that above Saturn?
It means Saturn's got the beautiful rings.
Planet of rings? And what's next? How come there's a cross through the next one? What's that one?
Uranus.
And what have you done there?
It's rings and it's tilted.
It's tilted. Is that what the cross means? And it's got rings. Okay. And what's after that?
Neptune.
Right, and what have you drawn on Neptune? I beg your pardon? Ooh, and why did you draw that?
Because the wind looks disgusting.
Oh, because it's windy. And what's that last planet there?
Pluto.
And what have you done there?
I added the word "no" next to the exclamation mark.
What's the word say?
No.
No. And did you cross it out? And why did you do that?
Because it's not a planet anymore.
Oh, and why's that?
Because it's smaller.
Because it's smaller. And why else is it different? Ewan, that's fantastic. Can you take a bow? Thank you very much. And Freya, can you take a bow? That's wonderful, guys. Great effort. You should be very proud.